Good day guys, welcome. If you're holding crypto in Revolut and want to move your tokens over to Bybit for active trading, derivatives or staking, sending them on-chain is quick and easy once you know the steps. Okay, so firstly you need to open up your Bybit app on your phone and tap on deposit. And then just select deposit crypto and search and choose the token you want to transfer from this list. For example, USDT or Bitcoin. Choose your deposit network carefully, such as Solana network for Sol or Ethereum ERC20 for ETH. Next, we need to then switch over to Revolut, and there we will execute a on-chain transfer. So in Revolut, you tap crypto on bottom menu and hit send. And also guys, don't forget to tap add wallet address, choose your wallet and paste your copied Bybit address into the field. And then complete the 6-digit SMS security check and just enter the amount of crypto you want to send. Review the network fee and total amount, tap send and authorize the blockchain withdrawal. Always ensure that the network selected on Bybit perfectly matches the blockchain supported by Revolut for that specific token. So there's your safe transfer. Enjoy.